Hello everyone and welcome to our first tutorial. So I tried to play in Canva with some shadows and I chose the word effect. So we're gonna go with this. I'm gonna choose the letters that I need because I'm trying to create a custom frame in PowerPoint. So just write your word and use separate letters. And remember, you're gonna need only black and white to do this in PowerPoint. And I'm gonna group all of them. And I'm gonna download this picture. You can do this in Canva. You can actually, we need an SVG and you can convert this in Canva, but it's not going to work in PowerPoint. So that's why we're going to use canvatutorial, and we're going to convert this into SVG, and now we're going to download it. In PowerPoint, we're going to upload our SVG and we're gonna convert in shape. Fill the shape in with a picture of your choice, it doesn't matter. And here it is. We're gonna download this as a PDF. We're going back in Canva and we're gonna continue with our letters. So I'm gonna copy each letter on a different page. Choose your color. I'll make the background black because the shadow that I'm using is black. Go to layers and put the shadow on top of the letter, and just play with the shadows. I'm gonna download each picture and then I'm gonna upload it in Canva. This is the last one. This is the last one. Bear in mind, I'm a beginner with Canva and everything. So now we're gonna upload every single page in Canva. And now we're gonna upload our PDF, our custom frame. But you're gonna find it in projects. So it's not gonna go in uploads, you're gonna find it in projects. Now we're gonna bring each letter, I'm gonna crop it and place it in every single letter and just adjust it. I decided to do the custom frame in PowerPoint because you can do it using the letter frames that are already in Canva, but they're not the same shape, so you're gonna struggle a little bit to make it work. So that's why I decided to use to create a custom frame. and it's a new thing that I learned. So yeah. Last one. I'm gonna group everything. Sorry. Choose a background. Because I use this color for the letters, I'm thinking of a C. I'm downloading this image because I want to make a reflection. So download the image, upload it in Canva, remove the background, make it the same size, yeah, and flip vertical. Just play a bit with the transparency. I'm gonna add more shadows. You can play around as you like. I'm gonna add some little fishes. And adjust the transparency. Again, more shadows, and I'm gonna use this. It's a little light that I want to put behind the letters. I'm gonna group everything and just adjust the size. And this is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you like it, and I will see you soon in my next one. Bye everyone.